This is Slim Pickings' chamber that we found in the summer. Me, Si and Di. Here comes Di.
What's that?
Hello, Di.
Hello there. Are you forgive me? Slim Pickings.
Slim Pickings' chamber. And at the bottom we found a little slot. Needed a little bit of excavation, one round of caps, and we were down into the passage below. Boxing Day we managed to get into this nice little chamber down the bottom of the Slim Pickings, excavated a little pitch about 4 metres into a nice little passage, led to this bit of an inlet chamber you can just see, and then we came round this corner and were greeted by this donging 75 metre pitch. Absolutely stunning pitch. And here's Mr. Cornhill, once world SRT champion. Or something like that. Simon about to descend into the void. First re-belay. It's all to stop the, obviously, a lot of chafing on that edge there. And then there's another re-belay about 40 metres down. The original explorers of this cave were a guy called Squirrel, along with Dewin and Penny. Squirrel unfortunately died earlier this year, so we've named this pitch in honour of him. This is Squirrel's pitch. That's the way on down there. Simon's currently rigging the next pitch. All very exciting. Beautiful shaft. Come on down, Di. There she comes. Textbook stuff from a seasoned explorer. Alright, Di, enjoy that?
Yeah, that's fantastic.
Okay, so today's exciting saga continues. This is the pitch we just came down, a beautiful little clean wash pitch, 8 metres or so, something like that. Beautiful cave, solid walls, water washed, like a Yorkshire pothole. We all feel at home. Round the corner there's a dry inlet. And then down here, the pot continues. Nice high rift, all nice and clean washed. And Mr. Cornhill is around the corner down there. Give us a smile, Simon. Rigging the next pitch, which we only have 38 metres of rope, so we're hoping it's enough. Anything to add, Miss Arthurs?
This is an absolutely fantastic pitch. What a stunning cave.
Simon has just returned from trying to bottom this next big pitch, which we're estimating at what, 60 metres or so?
Yeah.
We've got a 38 metre rope on it, and it's about 15 to 20 metres short at the bottom, so we're going to have to get more rope. We'll be back shortly, I would think, try and bottom this bugger. Okay, Simon, you want to come up?
Yeah.
Another beautiful shaft. The lips come. Looks like it bellies out a lot lower down.
Oh yes, it is round there, and the passage goes off that way.
Right. This is the bottom of the second big pitch. This one was about 60 metres. We managed to retrieve some rope off the earlier pitches and do a bit of rigging, and got just enough rope to get down. So this is the pitch. It's all a bit drivelly today. It's been quite wet recently. There's Di at the first re-belay. That's 17 metres up. Beautiful shaft, classic pothole. If this was in the Dales, it would be on a par with some of the better vertical trips in the Dales, no doubt about it. Brilliant. What do you think, Simon? What do you reckon? Well, I think that's your best bet in there. All right, Di?
Wow.
Simon's gone up that crawl there.
Cool.
Yeah,
Oh, not walking.
not walking.
Oh, look at that colour.
So, after a short muddy crawl of about, don't know, not far,
1 metre.
3 or 4 metres, we pop out into a goddamn streamway. Beautiful, clean washed streamway. And we're all wishing we had our wetsuit socks on. Awesome, so let's have a little look upstream. Yeah, fantastic. Fantastic.
Right, so
Well, look right, well. I don't know what we're going to call this yet, but seeing as we called that last big pitch double six, I think we rolled a double six and hit the jackpot. Yo! There's a man waiting for a disto, and what he gets is a GoPro.
Never mind the GoPro, get your grabbing gloves on and get this doing.
Grabbing gloves on. So here comes Diane through the roll again crawl. Hello, Di.
Hello there.
It's only a short little grobble, it's not too bad.
Not too early.
You stay out the water and the mud for the most part.
Terrible wave.
Let's have a little walk upstream. Fantastic river passage. Crystal clear water. Superb. Let's hope it carries on like this for a good distance. So we came upstream about 100 metres or so, and unfortunately
100 metres wide.
100 metres long.
Oh.
And here we have goddamn upstream sunk. It's very disappointing.
Okay. Okay.
Anyway, shit happens. Anyway, we weren't too worried about that when we saw this big oxbow going off. We thought, oh, we'll just bypass the sump. Unfortunately, it's not an oxbow. It's kind of like a little tiny inlet, and it all closes down. Boo! Game over. Final survey station. So, that's it. Cueva del Bosque.